Everyone, this is Memo Trader, and in this video, pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa pinakasimple at pinakamabisang strategy na pwede mong magamit sa pagte-trade mo sa stock market. And that is the pullback trading strategy. Aalamin natin today kung ano ba ang pullback, kahalagahan ng paggamit ng pullback trading strategy at kung paano tayo kikita using this strategy. Alright, so simulan na natin. So first and foremost, alamin mo natin kung ano ba ang pullback. A pullback, which is also known as a price correction, is a moderate or slight drop in a stock or commodity pricing chart from the recent highs occurring within an ongoing trend. So, say for example, ito yung ating ongoing trend, which is up. Yan. And then up, and then retrace, and then up, and then retrace again. The reason why it's very effective kasi sa isang uptrend, hindi naman yan isang straight line lang eh. Makikita mo dyan yung series of higher highs. Ito yung ating series of higher highs, which is this level. 1, 2, 3. At meron ding series of higher lows. 1 and 2 and 3. So, ayan yung mga area na yan. And as a trader, syempre gusto mong i-timing yung entry mo doon sa mga retracement area. At yung retracement area, which is this area, yan. So, yan yung mga babantayan natin. Yan yung tatimingan natin kung kailan tayo pwede mag-entry. Alright? And just like other strategies, meron ding pros and cons ang pagta-trade using a pullback. Simula muna tayo sa pros. Number 1, buy low, sell high. When the price goes up, there will be times na bababa siya, and then up again, and then baba, and then up again, and then retrace. Okay? So we are looking to enter into this area of retracement. So we buy low in this area, and then we sell it here. Okay, and then we buy again here, and then we sell it here. Alright, so that is what we call buy low, sell high. And we already know, we already understand that it's trend, right? The second one will be, it's very simple to use. Napakadali niya lang gamitin, napakadali niya lang tandaan. Why? Dahil alam na natin kung ano yung trend, babantayan natin kung kailan ba siya pwedeng dumapo doon sa ating trend line or sa ating moving averages or doon sa ating horizontal line, which will serve as a support and resistance. Third one, which is more favorable risk-reward ratio. So, ibig sabihin, if in case magtuloy-tuloy yung pagbaba ng stock, dumire-diretso siya doon, so pwede kang mag-cut dito sa area na to. Yan. Once lumagpas siya sa trend or pwedeng kapag lumagpas siya doon sa ating moving averages, so hindi ganun kasakit if in case plan mo mag-cut. Kasi dito ka bibili, di ba, dito sa area na to. Alright, and lastly, very good in psychology. Hindi siya kagaya ng scalping, no, na aabangan mo yung pinakababa niya or pinaka-bottom niya, which is more riskier. Unlike sa pullback trading strategy, hindi mo kailangan sumulo ng falling knives. Aabangan mo lang siya doon once sumanggi siya doon sa trend line or sa moving average. Once mag-bounce, doon ka pwedeng mag-test buy. At syempre, meron din tayong cons. Number 1 is you may miss the move. So what does it mean? So for example, ito yung ating trend. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Ito yung ating trend line, say for example, or exponential moving average yan. So, halimbawa, sumanggi siya dito sa una. Na-miss niya yung pangalawa. And then pangatlo. Sumanggi ulit siya. Okay? So, this area here, naging support yung ating exponential moving average. Ngayon, plan natin syempre mag-enter ulit dito sa area ito. Kaso hindi siya sumanggi. And then, bago pa siya sumanggi dun sa ating exponential moving average, umangat na ulit siya. Okay, so we missed this opportunity to buy here. Pero sumagi ulit siya dito sa pangatlo. Right? So, ito yung opportunity na to. Ito yung hindi natin naabutan. Kasi when the market is really, really strong, when the stock is really, really strong, minsan hindi siya dun sumasanggi or nagtouch dun sa ating moving averages or even sa trend line. The second one is price may continue to go down. So, for example, we bought here in this area. Ayan. Ngayon, ang problema, nagtuloy-tuloy pagbaba yung ating stock price. Okay? Bakit pwedeng mag-continue to go down? Dahil ang force niya is pababa. Although ang trend is pataas, pero may mga chances na pwede siyang lumusot doon. And then after niya lumusot, possible siyang mag-bounce ulit. Okay, so here in this area, once lumusot siya, may mga times na naapektuhan yung ating psychology. So most traders, nagka-cut sila dyan. Which is also good kapag finalo mo yung trading strategy mo and then pwede ka ulit mag-buy once mag-bounce or once lumagpas yung ating price doon doon sa ating moving average or doon sa ating trend line. Now there are three things to consider before we enter the trade on pullback. One of them is a direction of the trend must be on a clear uptrend. Okay, so dahil sa PSC wala naman tayong short trading option, kaya ang kailangan lang nating sundin is syempre uptrend. Alright? Second one is we have to identify our value area. What does it mean? So yung value area natin ay number one, key level support and resistance. Okay, I'll show you an example. So halimbawa, ito yung ating trend. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Ito yung ating tinatawag na support and resistance level, which is the horizontal line. This one right here. Yan. Support, previous resistance na naging support, and then this one again. Okay, so ito yung ating tinatawag na key level support and resistance. Key level yan, key level. And then here, key level as well, this one. Alright, and then here as well. So yan yung ating mga key level. The second one will be the EMAs, which is the exponential moving average, or some people prefer just moving average. But for me, I prefer exponential moving average. And lastly, we have our trend line na ginagamit din natin sa pagsukat natin ng trend. Alright? And the last thing we have to consider before we enter the trade ay kailangan natin i-classify yung trend. Kung strong uptrend ba siya, it should respect 20 exponential moving average. Kapag healthy naman yung trend, it should respect 50 EMA. And kapag weak yung trend, it usually bounce off the 200 EMAs. Ngayon, let's focus on this three kasi ito yung isa sa pinaka-importante kailangan natin tignan as a trader, which is the area of value. So, the area of value, ano bang ibig sabihin ng area of value? It is the most common area where the pullback ends and the price bounce. So, yung pinakita natin kanina, which is the support and resistance level, the horizontal line, ito yung ating example. Identify mo natin yung mga previous resistance natin naging support, this one and this area here. At meron pa dito sa area na to, at meron pa dito sa level na to, meron dito sa level na to. Yan. So kung mapapansin nyo dito guys, hindi lang once na test yung ating support, no? Kundi once, twice, third, fourth, and then fifth time. Matibay talaga siya. Ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, after mag-breakout ng stock, nagkaroon siya ng retracement. Alright, and then nag-bounce sa support, and then nagkaroon ng price rejection again, and then bumaba ulit siya. Okay, so itong area na to, naging panibagong resistance na siya. Alright, so kung mapapansin nyo, in an uptrend, yung mga key level na support and resistance, dyan mostly nagkakaroon ng malakas na force. Okay, so dyan usually nag-end yung pullback, and then nagkakaroon ng price bounce. Also here, nung nag-breakout yung stock, nagkaroon ng retracement, ito yung naging support, and then it went back up again, tinest ulit yung support, and then it went back up again, tinest ulit yung support, kaso lumagpas siya ng onte, But then it recovered back. And for the last time, umangat siya, nag-bounce siya, tumangat siya, nagtuloy-tuloy. Alright, so this is what we call, this area here is what we call key level support and resistance. So dyan malalakas yung force, dyan malalakas yung mga sellers or yung mga buyers. So yan yung kailangan nating laging bantayan. Alright? Second one is yung ating moving averages. Okay, I prefer exponential moving average. So bigyan ko kayo ng example. Let's check tel again. So yung yellow, yun yung ating 20 EMAs, yung blue yan yung ating 50, at yung sky blue yan yung ating 200 EMA. When the stock is on a strong uptrend, it respects the 20 EMAs. So lumalagpas siya ng onte, but yet again, nagbabounce siya. Hindi siya tumutuloy dun sa EMA 50. On the next chart, ito then, which is the AC energy. So again here, it respects the 20 EMAs, here also, and here. Ngayon, kung ating i-draw yung ating key level na support and resistance, ating key level support and resistance, okay? And here then on this area, yan. Ngayon guys, kung mapapansin nyo, ito din sa area na to, yan. So as I said earlier, when a stock is on a strong uptrend, it respects the EMA 20, yan. Okay, and then the next one is EMA 50 naman. So when the stock is on a healthy uptrend, it respects the EMA 50. This is the EMA 50. This is the EMA 50, EMA 50, EMA 50, EMA 50. Makikita din natin na every now and then lumulusot yung mga week niya, no? But that's okay. Ang mahalaga kasi dyan na titingnan natin ay mag-bounce yung ating stock doon sa EMA 50. Right? So this one is considered a healthy uptrend. The next one is GMA 7. So ito din, once. Meron nga dito isa pa, ayan, twice. And then this is the third time, fourth time, and then the fifth time. Okay, so yung isa dito, EMA 20 pala to, ayan. Pero sa ating 50, ayan yung ating mga strong bounce. Alright? Ito na may example ng ating EMA 200. Nag-bounce siya once, twice, and then dito, onting-onti na lang talaga siya, lalagpas na siya, or magbo-bounce na siya. But then eventually, sumanggi siya doon sa EMA 50 at nagkaroon siya ng malakas na bounce doon sa EMA 50. Alright, so ito yung ating example ng EMA 200 na area of value. Ito naman yung ating JFC. So, nag-bounce siya once, twice, third time, and fourth time. So, maring here, lumagpas siya. But yet again, nag-bounce ulit siya. Nagpakita ulit siya ng strength. So, kumbaga, we can consider EMA 200 as weak trend or weak uptrend. Pero hindi natin siya basta pwedeng kaligtaan na itong area dito ay considered na area of value. Right? So, we have to remember that. So, yun yung area kung saan usually nagtatapos yung mga pullback at nagkakaroon ng panibagong bounce. Alright? And then the next area of value is the trend line. So, I'll show you one good example. So, ito yung ating trend line. So, we can see here na hindi lang siya once nag-bounce, kundi multiple times. So, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. Okay, so napakadaming chance dyan na pwede kang maglagay ng yung entry and then pwede kang mag-sell once it goes up. Kung ilalagay natin yung ating horizontal line, ito yung nagsilbi nating support. So after na mag-breakout ng ating stock, nagkaroon siya ng pullback at ito yung naging panibagong support niya once, twice, third time, fourth time, and fifth time. Ngayon, nung nag-bounce siya, dahil sa ating resistance, nagkaroon ng price rejection, bumangga siya doon sa ating trend line, and then nag-breakout ulit siya. Okay, ngayon na nag-breakout siya, yung previous resistance ay naging panibagong support. So yung area of value na yan, yan yung kailangan bantayan ng mga traders whenever they look into an entry. Okay, next is the pullback entry timing. So ngayon, na-identify mo na yung trend direction, na-analyze mo na yung trend, at na-recognize mo na yung area of value. Don't make things complicated. The entry trigger could be as simple as buying on a pullback or a breakout pullback. Okay, I'll show you one good example for this one. Okay, gamitin natin si Wilcon as an example. I-draw muna natin yung ating resistance. Yan. At yung ating support. Yan. Ito pa dito sa isang level na to. Ayan. At dito rin sa area na to. Okay, alamin mo natin yan. Yan yung ating mga support and resistance. Okay? So, when we say pullback, dahil nag-breakout na siya dyan sa level na yan, after niya mag-breakout, nag-pullback siya. So, yung mga ibang traders, dito na sila bumibili. Alright? Dahil na-identify na nila yung pullback eh. So, dito sila bumibili. And then, binibenta nila once mag-resist doon sa previous highs, which is the around 22.05. Yan ay yung naging resistance. So, once mag-pullback siya, doon sila bumibili and nagsisell sila dito sa level na to bago pa umabot doon sa uh, resistance level. May iba namang traders, ang ginagawa nila, once ma-confirm nila yung breakout, dito sila bumibili sa level na to. Yan ang tinatawag na breakout pullback. Okay, dahil na-confirm na okay, ito strong trend to, yan, or healthy trend yan. At na-confirm na nila hindi lang once, twice, kundi 3 times nag-bounce. So once mag-pullback, doon sila nagbabuy sa area na yan. May ibang strategy na ginagawa nila, naka-hold lang sila as long as nag-hold yung stock sa EMA 50. Alright? So an aggressive trader waits for the price to come back to the pullback area and enters a trade right away. While a conservative trader waits until the price continues the trend structure and breaks into a new high. Okay, say for example, itong si Converge. So yung mga aggressive trader usually nag-enter here or in this level. Okay, so once mag-pullback, enter the trade, or ito naman sa kabila, kapag nag-pullback, enter the trade. So yun yung mga aggressive trader. Pero kapag sa mga conservative trader, hinihintay mo nila magkaroon ng third confirmation or fourth confirmation bago sila mag-place ng kanilang trade. Another one, etong si ating tel, which is ginamit natin kanina. So, sa ibang mga traders, dito sila nagpi-place ng kanilang trade here in this level or here. Pero yung mga conservative na traders, usually dito sila nagpi-place, yan, or here in this level. Alright, tapos nakastay lang dyan hanggang ma-break yung ating trend. So, ganun lang yung ginagawa ng iba. Pwede ka mag-place dito sa area na to once mo-confirm mo na yung trend, or dito sa level na to once komportable ka nang mag-enter. So, the best thing about it is that there's no right or wrong in this strategy. It all comes down to the personal preference of the trader. So, it all depends on you. So, it's up to you kung gusto mo mag-place ng entry dun sa first bounce or sa second bounce or sa third bounce. Totally depende sa'yo. So, the next question is when to exit. Exit when you're wrong and exit when you're right. Okay? It is important to understand that when a trade becomes invalid, you must have an exit strategy. After you enter the trade, there's a possibility that the market could move against you. So, where will you put your stop loss or cut loss or take profit? When the area of value is breached. So, for example, in this level, tel, we will use the same chart na pinakita natin kanina. We already know na trading above EMA 20 here in this level, yan. Above EMA 20, pwede ka mag-place ng bet mo dyan or ng trade. Ayan, dyan din or dito din. Okay? Ngayon, ang nangyari, nag-cross siya below EMA 20 at sumagi siya dun sa EMA 50. Ngayon, saan ka pwede mag-place ng cut loss mo dyan? Either here or either here. dito sa third candle. Kasi di ba may history siya na sumasanggi siya or lumalagpas siya dun sa EMA 20. So, pwede kang maglagay ng cut loss mo dito. Alright? Halimbawa, nakapag-enter ka dito sa level na to. Okay? And alam mo yung history ng stock na lumalagpas siya sa EMA 20, right? So, halimbawa, nag-place ka dito sa area. Yan. Yan. Sa green candle na yan. Umangat yung stock, bumaba, umangat, bumaba, lumagpas sa EMA 20. Ngayon, nag-hold ka pa rin. Say, for example, nag-hold ka. Okay? Ngayon, umangat ulit yung stock at bumaba ulit siya. Ngayon, dahil may history siya na lumalagpas siya sa EMA 20, so nag-hold ka pa rin. Okay? Ngayon, umangat ulit siya. At nung bumaba na siya, kaso nagtuloy-tuloy siya dun sa AMA 50. So, pwede ka mag-cut here in this level kapag hindi na siya valid. Okay, I'll give you another example, which is GFC. So, we've already identified that the stock is on a strong uptrend, which is trading above EMA 20. So once, twice, ngayon, ang ginawa natin is, for example, nag-place tayo ng ating buy in this level. Ngayon, ang nangyari ay umangat siya, nag-bounce siya dito sa EMA 20, pero bigla siyang bumagsak. So, nagkaroon siya ng pagbaba dito sa level na to. Ngayon, you can place your cut loss here. So, you have to accept the fact that you are wrong. So, here in this level, which is the cut loss. So, in summary, pullback strategy is one of the most commonly used strategies to become profitable in stock market because it works well and easy to understand. But I want you to understand also that no strategy gives you 100% winning rate. There'll always be a winner and a loser in stock market. However, pullback strategy offers you a good risk to reward ratio. And that is our topic for today. And maraming salamat po. And that is our topic for today. So don't forget to follow my page on so don't forget to follow my page on Facebook, Memo Trader, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that's it for today. So ipopost po natin ito sa ating YouTube channel at ilalagay din natin sa ating Facebook page. So para ma-notify kayo, please like and follow my page on Facebook and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Memo Trader. Thank you guys. I hope you learned something for today.